HUDI stock, Huadi International, down 89.68% in this session of the 7th of November 2022. I think the only news we have there is that the company has, let's see, do we have it here? We have it here. The company has priced, let's see, it says Huadi International prices $25 million share offering. Let's get it there. It says, said today it expects to raise $25 million through a registered direct offering of 1 million shares with two institutional investors at $25 per share. The industrial stainless steel pipe and tube maker expects the offering to close on Wednesday. Okay, so I think maybe there was a pump up. It was pumped up. I mean, I don't exactly know, but I mean, going by that, you may, or rather, I mean, you may be tempted to say that it was pumped up, it's because we saw the stock, rallied for 4 consecutive sessions beginning on the 1st of November all the way till Friday the 4th, run up this huge gain. You can see that from what the first, it was on the 31st of October, it was trading at 22.03, and then come Friday the 4th, it was trading at $180. Do that maths. It's a huge gain, and you may be tempted to conclude that maybe it was pumped up because of this offering coming up. So, but in any case, we can see here that yesterday of this validation, it reached a 52-week high. Going by all that has happened, we have plotted a Fibonacci grid from this peak of around $60 that was printed sometime on the 24th of October, I think. We picked it up from there and then projected downwards to where it is right now at roughly 18.75 or thereabouts. So, and in that we have some upward projections, and amongst them we have there's 28.37, 34.31, 39.11, 43.90. So taking these two figures of 43.90 and 39.11 with reference to its 50-day moving average, we have been able to determine a couple of probabilities in that regard. We're seeing that the probability of the price to remain below 43.90 is 69.15%, and the probability of it rising above 43.90 is 30.85. So 31.0806 is the 50-day moving average. So you subtract the target in question from the average, which is the 50-day moving average, which is at 31.06, and divide that by the standard deviation over the last 50 trading sessions. You get 0.51, and then with that value you come here to this is a site that has a Z table, and there you'll be able to determine. You can see 0.5, and then you have 0.51. So you can see that 0.51, that's it here, 69.5. So 0 and then 1 will give you 0.5. Under 0.01 it will give you the value you need, which we have determined at 69.50. No, sorry, okay, 69. It's supposed to be 69. It's going to be 69.50. So the probability of it remaining below $43.9 is 69.5, and the probability of it rising above is 30.5. So we also took the other price, the 39.11. So the probability of it remaining below 39.11 is 62.55, and the probability of it rising is 37.45. So there's no guarantee that any of these will happen, but based on what statistics here, there's a fairly good chance that it will still remain at least below 39.11. Yeah, there's a fairly good chance that the price of HDDI is going to remain there. And maybe given this offering that has happened, maybe we're not going to see anything anymore from the stock. The rally has happened. They've raised their money. Who knows? let's even see whether we have what the sort of float we have for HUDI float. Let's get the float and see what's going on there. Well, it's a tiny float. Okay, Wall Street Journal is indicating a float of around 76.48, so it's not that small a float. Not really that small a float as such. Okay, float is just not small as well as such. So yeah, so we have the probabilities here. Okay, so see what you make of HDDI, down 89.91%, given the pricing of 1 million shares at $25 per share. Yeah, market participants would have definitely seen that and took their money off the table. So thank you very much for watching this video.